Luma and Vito were in their lab. Luma was wearing her big science glasses. Vito pointed to the window and said, "Look, Luma, the apples are falling from the tree again." Luma said, That's not good." Vito said, "Yeah, yesterday, an apple even broke our neighbor's car window." Luma said, "We have to fix this. This is a big problem." Luma suggested, "What if we make something to stop gravity, so the apples don't fall?" Vito asked, "Wow, you mean turn gravity off?" Luma said, "Yes, let's try." They ran to their tools. Luma drew a picture while Vito brought wires and a shiny blue button. Together, they built the anti-gravity blaster, a machine. They placed the machine under the apple tree. Luma asked, "Okay, ready, Vito?" Luma pressed the button. Beep! Suddenly, Luma and Vito started floating into the air around the apple tree. "Whoa! It's working! Too much!" They laughed at first. Then a man walking nearby flew into the air. A kid on a bike floated up too. Everyone was scared. People shouted, "Ah! What's happening? Help!" Luma saw an old woman with a cane. She was floating too, right above the machine. Luma shouted, "Ma'am, use your cane. Hit the red button on the machine." The old lady hit the button with her cane bonk. The machine stopped. Everyone dropped gently back to the ground. Vito said, "That was scary and fun." The next day, Luma told her friend Zara what happened. Zara laughed and said, "You flew? Like a bird?" "Yes, but not by wings because of gravity," Luma explained. Zara asked, "What's gravity?" Luma smiled. "Okay, imagine this. Gravity is like an invisible hand. It pulls everything down. Apples, toys, people, even you and me." Zahra asked, "So if we had no gravity, we would float away?" "Yes, like balloons." Luma said yees. Vito said, "Or like us yesterday." I flew like spaghetti. Later that night in the lab, Vito asked, "Luma, do you think gravity is our friend?" Luma said, "Yes. Sometimes it's tricky, but gravity helps us walk, play, and stay on the ground." Vito said, "And sometimes it makes apples fall on cars." They laughed again. Luma concluded, "But when we ask questions, test ideas, and don't give up, we become real scientists."